Hi guys, stopped in a car park down by the docks, or the quay, Bristol Floating Harbour. Just going to give the Colossus a run. I've got a nasty feeling I've actually cooked the motor already, just testing it at home, because we've got extra grip with these rubber strips on the tyres, and whereas it could spin the wheels before, the extra grip puts extra strain on the motor, and I think I may well have overcooked it. We will find out. Just out of interest, earlier in the week it was extra high tides and this was all flooded. It was actually up over the bank here, it was actually up over the road, so it was well flooded. That was the high tides. Anyway, we'll give this a little run, see if it does actually run. Alright, trailer camera is what usually messes up the grip because it drags at the back. The grip is much better. Not perfect, it's much better than it was. Well down on power. We don't have much power anyway, but I think I've cooked that motor. But we've definitely improved the grip. Normally spin round and jackknife the trailer cam. Right, that'll do. Short and sweet. Yeah, looks like we actually got some footage. So that'll do. Yeah, so a bit of extra grip and it went much better, but it wasn't very fast, and as I say, I think that's because I've overheated the motor. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing, and somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.